Hi, I wanted to show you how you can move assessments into the various folders within the ePortfolio. So here we have NAtsNet's ePortfolio, and I can see there's a listening and a speaking assessment that have been uploaded. So first I'm going to just open this listening assessment, and I'm going to open Google Docs, and I can see it. So now I'm going to just go File and Download PDF. And now I'm going to look at Show in Folder. Okay, so I can see here that I've got it down here, and I just want to make sure that I've renamed it L3. So I'm just going to rename. So it says L3 like this. And okay, and this is, everything else is great. So now I'm going to just put it here, and I can see where it is. And I'm just going to copy that in case I need it. And I'm just going to press the Windows key and then the left arrow button. So I've got that on this side. And now I'm going to click up here, and I'm going to press the Windows and then the right arrow button on the bottom right hand corner of my keyboard. So now I can see that I have it down here, right there. And I can go click on the ePortfolio here, back arrow, and I'm going to open NAtsNet's ePortfolio. And here I'll just slide along here, and I can see that I want to put it into listening. So I'll slide back here, and I'm just going to click New, File, Upload. And actually, I don't think I have to do that. I'll just close this, and I'll slide over here, and I believe I can just grab this and put it into the listening, like that. And then I just check it and make sure that it actually arrived. Okay, and let me see where it is here. Maybe I have to slide down. And there I can see that it has arrived down here. And then because I've copied this, I can just use this for renaming all of the other assessments for the other students. So then I would go back to ePortfolios, and then I would do the same one for everybody. So here I've got the listening assessment again. I'll click on it and then open, download. Okay. Okay, File, Download, PDF. Now I will just show it in the folder here. Okay, and it's come up over here on the left-hand side. So now I'm going to right-click on this, rename, and just press Control V. Oh, I did not copy this other one. Okay, so I'm just going to have to change this. Okay, so I've got it there. Okay, and now I can click over here on the ePortfolio, back arrow, and I can go into open up the Ahmed's ePortfolio, slide over, and I can move it over here right into the listening. Oops. Let's see here. Here we go. And now it should be in there. I'll just double check. I'll look for CLB4L3. And I can see right here. Whoops. Move over this way and slide down, move across, and I can see it says CLB4L3. And then I would just go through for all of them that way. So that's how I would do it. So now I'm just going to close this.